welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back in the kitchen. We just finished eating and I'm gonna get everything back together. I'm gonna give the kitchen just a little bit of extra TLC this morning. I'm gonna wipe down the front of the cabinets and I need to clean my microwave out. And I'm also gonna be cleaning the area over by my breakfast table. And as always, I'm gonna take the rugs up so that I can sweep and mop. And y'all know I gotta bring y'all along with me. So if you're ready, let's jump right into this video.
So before we get into this video, I want to let you know that it is a collab with Katrina from Katrina Does It All. She is the wife and mother of 2 beautiful girls, and she does tons of cleaning motivation, cooking videos, and shopping hauls, and day in the life videos as well. When you are done here, please head over to her channel and show her some love and subscribe and tell her that I sent you. If you are from Katrina's channel, welcome and thank you for coming over. I'm Tiffany and I'm a wife and mother of 2, and I love to create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that bell. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. So my kitchen isn't that bad this morning. I was cleaning while I was cooking, but I realized that I hadn't wiped the cabinets down in a while, and I also needed to dust the table in my breakfast area, and I needed to dust the desk area in my kitchen as well. So as always, I'm going to start by taking the rugs up first so that I can get them in the washer and let them wash while I'm cleaning. And now that I've got that done, let's go ahead and get this kitchen clean. Where this is going, like what you're doing. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always.
Yeah.
Feel the music, the rhythm, a heart on a mission. Can't fight the feeling, and I'm not denying it, no. I'm here to lose all control. Got emotions, emotion, they all wanna go dance. Sweat in an ocean, and I'm not denying it, no. I'm here to lose all control. First nothing on my mind but the beating truth. I might have a broken heart, but I won't hold back tonight, tonight, tonight.
Now I'm going to head back over to the laundry room and put the rugs in the dryer. But first, I need to fold this load that I had done earlier.
And I'm not defying it, no. I'm here to put on a show, yeah. First time on the floor, but I'm into it. Nervous from my knees to my fingertips. I might have a broken heart, but I won't hold back.
Okay, now that we've gotten that done, let's go ahead and get back into it.
I know the reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. When I lay down at night, I miss you by my side, telling me about your secrets. I dream and fantasize that I come by your house, telling you about my regrets. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was way too shallow, my mind was way too narrow. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. I know why we say goodbye, but can we turn that bye into hello? I know how to love you now. No matter what I do, I can't let go. I don't know how to forget you.
So now I'm going to go ahead and clean the microwave, and I'm going to use my little Angry Mama gadget. I got it from Home Goods last year for $6.99, but you can also get it from Amazon, and I will try to link it in the description box below just in case you're interested. But all you need is vinegar and water, and all you have to do is just add it in there and pop it in the microwave for 3 minutes. And once it's done, you will take the rest of the liquid and pour it on the cloth and wipe the inside of the microwave down with that.
The best ways, the best ways. my precious heart.
So while that's going, I'm going to wash the plate cover, and then when I'm done with that, I will move on to wiping all the cabinets down.
See what lies behind the promises. They went on and on about how you're coming home, only to prove you want me. The make believe it went way too deep. You made a fool of me, a fool of me. You had me waiting for you to come home. Good time to bad times, the moment you stole. You had me waiting for something so bold to finally tell me your love went cold. You fool me good, you fool me good, you fool me good. I gave it to ya. You fool me good, you fool me good, you fool me good. I gave it to ya. You say you wanna save me, yeah, save me. But then you go and break me, you broke me, yeah. And all this time you made me trust every single lie. The promises, they went on and on about how you're coming home, only to prove you want me. The make believe it went way too deep. You made a fool of me, a fool of me. You had me waiting for you to come home. Good time to bad times, the moment you stole.
So my 3 minutes had been up, but I let it sit for another 3 to 4 minutes before I took it out. This way the liquid will cool down before I poured it on my cloth.
You fool me good, you fool me good, you fool me good. I gave it to ya. You fool me good, you fool me good, you fool me good. I gave it to ya. I should have known right from the start that you were gonna break my precious heart. I know it's true, love makes you blind. 'Cause now I see what lies behind. You had me waiting for you to come home. Good time to bed.
And now I'm going to go ahead and sweep so that I can get ready to mop.
You had me waiting for something so bold to finally tell me your love went cold. You fool me good, you fool me good, you fool me good. I gave it to ya. You fool me good, you fool me good, you fool me good. I gave it to ya. Darling, I'm selfish. Wish I could love you, but you don't tell me how much you want it. I need a reason, I need an answer. Then I can love you every day. But hold on to your feelings till you know what you're in for. Just hold on just a minute till you know what I'm good for. I could give you a try, take it to the sky, if you give me one good reason why you deserve my time, why you should be mine. All I need is one good know what you're in for. Just hold on just a minute. Didn't know love could ever feel like this. I didn't know body shivers from a kiss. Now I know it's been so very long. 'Cause it's been forever since I felt anything. I didn't know I would meet someone like you. I didn't know you made me feel the things I do. And now I know it's been so very long. 'Cause it's been forever since I felt anything. So watch out when love gets a hold on you. You can't go back. That's right. Now when I found you, I can't let you out of my sight. Don't go. My heart and my soul have finally come alive. So now I'm all yours. The flowers in my hair, I'm waiting for you there, for always and forever. I know we'll be together. The flowers in my hair, I'm waiting for you there, for always and forever. I know we'll be together. I didn't know I'd be on this road with you a long time ago. Wouldn't dare to dream about us two. And now I know.
Okay, y'all, that's all for today. We got it all done, and I hope that I was able to give you some motivation to get up and get something done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. And don't forget to head over to Katrina's channel and show her tons and tons of love. And also remember that you can follow me on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.